YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a DIY rice water deep conditioner. This deep conditioner contains bentonite clay, which is antimicrobial, and it also helps to reduce frizz in the curls. This deep conditioner also contains obviously rice water, which helps to promote growth, it smooths the hair strands, and it also makes the hair appear really shiny. So if you're interested in knowing how to make this DIY deep conditioner, then keep on watching.
The first step in this recipe is to make the rice water. So you want to start off with 1 cup of rinsed rice and then add 2 cups of water to that rinsed rice. We're going to do the fermenting process. And then after you add the 2 cups of water, cover it with aluminum foil. Let the rice water sit overnight, and then once it's done fermenting, you can strain it using a colander. Make sure to get all the rice water out by simply tapping the rice to ensure that all of it's out. This is what your fermented rice water should be looking like once it's done. Now you want to obtain an aloe vera leaf and cut a reasonable amount from the leaf. We don't need too much aloe vera for this recipe, so this is a good amount to have. After cutting a piece of the aloe vera leaf, carefully cut the edges so that way they don't poke your fingers. Once the edges are gone, cut the aloe vera piece down the middle. The middle of the aloe vera leaf is where all those amazing hair benefits are. It's full of nutrients and proteolytic enzymes which help the scalp and add shine. Using a spoon, scrape that aloe vera gel into a bowl. Get as much of that aloe vera gel as you can out of the leaf by simply scraping the spoon against it. Repeat that same process with the other side of the leaf's piece. After scraping all of the aloe vera gel out, add at least 1/4 cup of rice water into the aloe vera gel. Then whisk it until it forms a foamy-like mixture. Strain the aloe vera gel rice water mixture into a separate bowl. Here's about how much aloe vera gel you should have after you finished. Next up in this recipe is making the flaxseed gel. You want to add about 1/4 cup of flax seeds into a medium-sized pot. Then, after adding the flax seeds into the pot, you want to add about 3 cups of water. So the gel can begin to form, set the stove to a medium heat, and then let it begin heating up. Remember to continuously stir the flax seeds so they don't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. When a foam begins forming at the top of the flax seeds, the gel is ready. Make sure to transfer it right away so that way it can easily pass through the strainer. Here's what your finished flaxseed gel should be looking like. Next up, you want to add about 1/4 cup of Aloe butter into a glass bowl. Aloe butter is rich in vitamins which soothe the scalp and moisturize the hair strands. Next, add a tablespoon of cocoa butter. This makes the deep conditioner smell really chocolatey and good. After, add about 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of emulsifying wax so that way the liquid and oil ingredients can blend together. Add all the ingredients into a hot water bath. Then set the stove to a medium heat. Stir all the ingredients so that way they can begin to melt faster. Here's what everything is looking like fully melted. And once it's fully melted, you can go ahead and add in about 1 cup of flaxseed gel. After adding in the flaxseed gel, add in the aloe rice water mixture. Then add in about 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly together and then use a whisk to blend all of the ingredients. Whisk it until most of the green clumps are gone. Now place your deep conditioner in the freezer for about 1 hour. Once it's out of the freezer, go ahead and whisk it again so your deep conditioner can begin fluffing up and forming a nice, smooth texture. Here's what the consistency should be looking like at first. If you let it cool in the fridge for about a day, it'll become even thicker in texture. So then you just want to transfer it into an applicator bottle or jar for easy application. Here's what the final product is looking like. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Now I'm going to start applying it to my curls. I kept my deep conditioner in the fridge for about a day and it got even thicker in texture. As I'm applying this deep conditioner, I'm making sure to thoroughly coat all of my curls. I'm running my fingers throughout each section of hair, making sure that each hair strand is covered in this deep conditioner. Now I'm just going to reapply it to the roots to make sure that everything is thoroughly covered. I think this deep conditioner is one of my favorites that I've made because it's not weighing down my hair too much, it smells like chocolate, and it also has a lot of slip. It also took my hair from looking super frizzy to looking very moisturized and defined. With the other side of my hair, I'm just repeating the same process that I repeated on the right side of my hair. I'm applying it throughout each section and then smoothing it through and finger detangling as I apply it. Here's what my hair is looking like with the deep conditioner all applied, and it's a really big difference from what I started with. Cover your hair with a plastic baggie or a shower cap and leave the deep conditioner on for 30 to 45 minutes. Here are my finished rinse results using the rice water bentonite clay deep conditioner. This deep conditioner moisturized my hair strands and it also left my curls looking super defined.
So here are the finished rinse results of the rice water deep conditioner with bentonite clay. Let me know how you guys like this DIY and comment down below a DIY that you guys would like me to do, and I'll put that on my list of videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your week and the rest of your day. Also, if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my YouTube video and watching. As with any DIY, always remember to test patch first to make sure that you won't have any allergic reactions. Pause this video and read these directions on how to test patch on your curls.